The heartbeat silence before your first kiss, the tremor in your hands, and the smile before the leave-in. Well, that memory is fading, and the $69 billion perfume industry is selling status in identical bottles, mass-produced and emotionally hollow. People are starving for brands with soul. They crave luxury, but with meaning. Not just what you wear, but who you were, who you loved, and who you'll never forget. Meet L'éternel secret. We are not just a perfume brand. We are a vessel for memories. Now you might be wondering, what does a memory smell like? Is it vanilla in your grandmother's kitchen? Is it jasmine in your lover's hair? Well, you share that memory, and our AI decodes its heart from our four base emotions: nostalgia, desire, euphoria, and solitude. And then you choose your path. The emotional collection, one of our base perfumes, the memory infused experience, a blend of 50% of the emotional collection and 50% of your own story, and the bespoke legacy, 100% of your memory, molecule by molecule. Each bottle is etched in gold, dragonfly sealed, and coming with a personal note and a poem about your memory. And every fully custom scent is NFT immortalized, sealed forever on the blockchain. So, what's worth